What makes a great insurance company for PIs? Private investigators have to perform various functions for individuals or companies when it comes to gathering information or ensuring security. These professionals also work for companies, insurance companies, and attorneys. All these activities carry some degree of risks, legal and/or otherwise, and the right PI insurance policies can keep private investigators protected by law. Find out how a great insurance provider agencies for PIs need to be. Varied insurance options. The type of insurance policy needed can vary across private investigators. In case you happen to be a PI, you might require various insurance policies for full coverage of your risks. Most private investigators need the same forms of general insurance policy as any business out there. These include property coverage, general liability, auto liability, workers' compensation, etc. Also, based on the kind of work that you handle, as well as whether you hire people to work under you, you might require a specialized coverage, like fidelity bonds, invasion of privacy coverage, professional liability, assault and battery coverage, etc. You have to check whether or not the insurance agency of your choice is able to offer the same. Cheap insurance quotes. You have to also ensure that the agency offers services at cheap costs. Many of these agencies have high quotes. It is essential for you to evaluate the kind of liabilities and risks that you encounter in your domain as a private investigator, and then get the quotes for a suitable policy that can offer you the maximum amount of coverage. It is a good idea to consult an insurance agent, a financial planner, and lawyer to get an idea about the types of coverage that you need for protection. Compare the quotes and find the cheapest insurance provider for yourself. There are comparison shopping tools as well as websites that can help you find out about the cheapest PI insurance providers out there for the types of coverage that you are in search of. You can even directly call up the customer support team of a few insurers out there and get quotes therefrom, or get quotes mailed to your email inbox. Reputation of the provider. It goes without saying that you have to look for an insurer that is reputed and is known to be credible. The company must be a long-timer in the insurance industry and reputed as too big a name to back out when claims are made. Working as a private investigator is filled with challenges and uncertainties. You might be called to perform various services, with many of these involving possible exposure to lawsuits in case of an error, or not completing work as per expectations. You can get the necessary amount of protection only from an insurance program that is well designed. The worst thing would be to make a claim when needed and be denied of the same by your insurer. With a credible insurer, such things will never happen. Thus, it is important to conduct some research into the background of the PI insurance provider that you are going for.